Hello everyone, this is Alexander McKinnon, and for today's cooking video I have here a vegetable puree soup. And I didn't record the actual process of cooking the food, so what I have here is kind of a final product here. Also some, like a little glass bowl. Anyway, let me tell you what I did. I took about 4 or 5 carrots, washed them, peel them, and then cut them into small pieces, kind of like cube them, sort of. Take that took like a non-stick pan, like a cooking pan. Actually, I might even find it in the sink. Gonna give you an idea. This kind of metal non-stick pan, and I put it on top of like a stove top here. Put some olive oil in it and began frying it. And that's the first thing that I recommend putting down to fry, because carrots, from what I've seen, seem to take the longest to get soft or to cook through. After that, I took a couple pieces of garlic. Took, I think, 3 small, like, what do you call it, cloves. Cut it up, put it in the same pan. Then I took onion, cut up onion, put it to fry as well. Then I took 2 small tomatoes. I get the size about like a small, like a fist. I think they were like Roma tomatoes. Give an idea. Let's see. Then I added seasoning. I added Italian seasoning, parsley. Italian seasoning, parsley, salt, pepper, brown sugar. To give you an idea how much, I would say Italian seasoning and parsley, put as much as you want. I don't think there's really a limit. Salt, I put about, I would say about a teaspoon or so, depending on how salty you want it. Pepper, about, I guess also about a little bit less than a teaspoon, maybe half a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. Then I put brown sugar. I put a tablespoon brown sugar. Then I added some balsamic vinegar. That would be about maybe a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, to give it some acidity or to the taste. Oh, and special ingredients added, like a sweet orange pepper, similar to like a bell pepper, if I had to give it close to it. I don't know what it's called. It's like a smaller size pepper. So put that there to fry as well. Also, secret ingredient, just a little bit of hot sauce. How much? I would say about 2 teaspoons, depending on how hot you want this soup puree to be. So yeah, let it fry. Then I put it in an oven around, say, 350 for about 10 to 20 minutes. Then I put it in a blender. I was originally trying to make it to like a creamy soup texture, but this came somewhere between chunky and creamy. And that's why I call it like a puree soup type of thing. Yeah, if you like this video, stay tuned. I'll send more to you soon. Alright, bye-bye.